Beat Making 101, Crafting Your Own Rhythms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of beat making. Whether you're a music enthusiast or an aspiring producer, understanding the art of beat making is key to creating compelling music. So, let's get started and make some beats. Beat making is the process of creating rhythm tracks, typically for music genres like hip-hop, EDM, and pop. It involves programming drum patterns, laying down bass lines, and adding various percussive elements to form the backbone of a song. It's not just about the drums. It's about setting the groove and pace of the music. To make beats, you'll need some essential tools. These can be drum machines, software like digital audio workstations, DAWs, or even simple apps on your phone. Each tool offers unique features that can help you craft the perfect beat. Rhythm is made up of beats and bars organized in a time signature. Common time signatures in beat making are 4/4 or 3/4. Understanding how to count these beats and structure them into a loop is fundamental in creating a rhythmic foundation. Once you have your basic rhythm, it's time to add layers. This could include bass lines, hi-hats, snare rolls, and claps. Textures such as samples and sound effects also add depth to your beat, making it more interesting. Creating beats is a form of expression. Experiment with different tempos, instruments, and sounds. Don't be afraid to break the rules. Use repetition and variation to keep the listener engaged. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on the basics of beat making. We hope this video helps you on your journey to creating your own unique beats. Keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. Until next time, keep making those beats.